Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. We have x plus 2y plus 32 is equal to the square root of 16x times the square root of 16y. So, what to solve for the value of x and y? To solve this, solution. So, right here we have x plus is equal to the square root, so is equal to the square root of 16x times the square root of 16y. So from here, we have x plus 2y plus 32 is equal to the square root of 16x, then square root of 16 is 4, then times the square root of y. So we can then rewrite this as we have x plus 2y plus 32 is equal to the square root of 16 times 4, 64, then times x times the square root of y. From here, x plus 2y plus 32 is equal to, we can split this square root of 64 times the square root of x times the square root of y. So from here, we then have the equation x plus 2y plus 32, and this equals root 64 is 8 times the square root of x, then times square root of y is simply y raised to power 1 over 4. So at this junction, we are then going to say that let u equals the square root of x and v equals y raised to power 1 over 4. Now, since x is under the radical sign, x will be greater than or equal to 0. Same thing also for u, greater than or equal to 0. Now, the value of r right here will be greater than or equal to 0, while v also will be greater than or equal to 0. So that means that for the condition of u and v, u will be greater than or equal to 0, v will be greater than or equal to 0. So for this first one, let us square the equation. This then implies that u squared is equal to x. And for this one, this implies that if we raise this to the power of 4, this implies that v raised to the power of 4 is equal to y. So from this equation, we can then rewrite this initial equation as, so we have x becomes u squared. So u squared plus 2 times y is v power of 4, v raised to the power of 4 plus 32 is equal to 8. Then x is u squared. So square will cancel square root. We have u, then times v. Okay, so with this, we then have this equation as u squared. Move this over to the left hand side, minus 8uv, then plus 2v power of 4 plus 32 equals 0. And with this, we can rewrite this as u squared minus 2 times u times 4 times v plus, in bracket, 4v squared, then subtract 4v squared, then we have plus 2v power of 4 plus 32, and this equals 0. So from this right here, we can express all of this, making use of this identity that if you have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, this equals to, in bracket, a minus b all raised to power 2. Okay, so but by the way, this square can be put outside the brackets. Okay, so we put this square outside the bracket. Now adding this and subtracting this does not change the initial equation. So with this, we can then rewrite this equation as, in bracket, u minus 4v all raised to power 2 minus 16v squared plus 2v power of 4 plus 32. Okay, and this equals to 0. So from here, we have the equation, in bracket, u minus 4v all raised to power 2. Then we have plus 2v power of 4 minus 16v squared plus 32 equals 0. We just rearrange this equation. So in brackets, we have u minus 4v all raised to power 2. Factorize out plus 2 from this. So plus 2 into bracket v raised to power 4 minus 8v squared plus 16, and this equals to 0. So from here, we can write this as in brackets u minus 4v all raised to power 2, then plus 2 into bracket v power of 4 can be written as v squared all raised to power 2 minus 2 times v squared times 4, then plus 16 can be written as 4 squared, and this equals to 0. So in brackets, u minus 4v all raised to power 2 plus 2. Now we can write all of this as in brackets v squared minus 4 all raised to power 2, and this equals 0. Now looking at this right here, we have that u minus 4v will be greater than or equal to 0. V squared minus 4 will give us a value greater than or equal to 0, such that we can then equate this to 0. Okay, so this then becomes that we have u minus 4v all raised to power 2, and this equals 0. Or we have the other one 2 into bracket v squared minus 4 all squared. So we have this, that 2 into bracket v squared minus 4 all squared equals 0. So from this, if we take the square root of this equation, this then implies that we have u minus 4v equals 0. U is equal to 4v. With this, let us solve this other one. So solving this other one right here, if we divide both sides by 2, this implies that v squared minus 4 all raised to power 2 is equal to 0. And with this, we have v squared then minus 4 is equal to 0 if we take the square root of the equation. So v squared is equal to plus 4. Moving this over to this side, plus 4. So if we take the square root of this equation, this implies that the value of v equals plus or minus square root of 4. And with this, the value of v is equal to plus or minus 2, such that v is equal to plus 2 or v is equal to minus 2. But then recall initially that we said the condition of u and v is that v should be greater than or equal to 0. So writing this condition down for the value of v right here, that the value of v should be greater than or equal to 0. So this means that v as minus 2 is rejected. So we are going to work with v equals to 2. So inputting v as 2 into this equation, we have u is equal to 4 times 2, and the value of u is equal to 8. So we are going to work with the value of u as 8 to solve for the value of x. But then recall that initially we said right here that let u equal square root of x and v equals y power of 1 over 4. So writing this down, that we have, recall that we said u is equal to the square root of x and that v is equal to y raised to power 1 over 4. And meanwhile, we got the value of u to equal 8. From here, input the value of u as 8 into this given equation. This becomes 8 is equal to the square root of x. Then square the both sides of the equation, all raised to power 2. Square cancel square roots. X is equal to 8 squared is 64. Next, to then solve for y, recall that the valid solution of v is equal to 2. So writing this v as 2 right here. So the value of v is equal to 2. So this becomes 2 is equal to y raised to power 1 over 4. To then eliminate this power 1 over 4 here, we are simply going to power this to 4. Power this to 4. So we have 4 will cancel 4. We have y is equal to 2 power of 4 is 16. And with this, we have the solution of x and y to equal, we have 64, 16. So these are the solution of the value of x and y for this given question. With this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, kindly like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.